My name is Aliza Fatima. Today I will going to tell about week spellings.
Okay.
So let's start. Okay.
Okay.
First is Monday.
Okay.
M-O-N Mon. D-A-Y Day. Monday. T-U-E-S Tues. D-A-Y Tuesday. Now it's time for Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Wednesday. Why we put D? Because first we say Wednesday, it has to come when N. But in the spelling we put D on it. Wednesday. Now we are telling Thursday spelling. T-H-U-R-S. Thurs. D-A-Y. Thursday. Friday. F-R-I. Fry. D-A-Y. Friday. Now we are telling Saturday spelling. S-A-T-U-R. Saturn. D-A-Y. Saturday. Now I will tell you Sunday spelling. S-U-N. Sun. D-A-Y. Day. Sunday. And the Sunday is a holiday. Holiday. Sunday is a shopping day. And one more. Sunday is a fun day.
Yes.